Now our last question, question 7, that says a particle moves in a straight line. The velocity v meter per second of the particle t seconds after leaving a fixed point is given by this equation. V equals to k times 20 plus pt minus 60 square, where k and p are constants. The acceleration of the particle at t equals to 0 is 42 meter per second square, and the displacement of the particle from O at t equals to 0 is 93 meter. Show that k equals to 3 and p equals to 26. Okay, so first understand the journey. They say particle moves in a straight line starting from O, and velocity is given by the equation in terms of like in t, but there are two constants also involved that we need to find: 20 plus pt minus 6t square. Okay, acceleration of the particles at t equals to 1 is 42. For example, this is the point t equals to 1. Here acceleration is 42 and displacement is 93 meters. So what is they giving you information to be actually? They say that if you will find the acceleration and putting it equals to 42, then you will get one equation. If you will integrate the velocity of v, if you will find the equation of for s and equate it equals to 93, so you will get another equation. You will solve them simultaneously to find k and p. To find the acceleration, we know we need to differentiate dv over dt. To find the distance, we know we need to integrate it between the limits a to b, because in case of distance we integrate it, like if we need to find the value of the distance or the value of the distance is given to us, so we integrate it with respect to t. Okay, now what we will be doing, we will be first differentiating this. So the differential of this equation will be k times derivative of 20 will be 0, derivative of pt would be p, and derivative of minus 60 square would be minus 12t. Yeah. So this is it, your acceleration. What is given acceleration to be? Acceleration is 42 at t equals to 1. So let's substitute that. So this is your first equation. Second condition is this. So the distance or this will be okay, so the question is, I said between the limits. So what are the limits? So the limits given here to be are like the distance from till t equals to 1 is 93 meters. So obviously from 0 to 1. Okay, so from 0 to 1. So what is the velocity equation? I'm directly integrating without writing the equation. First you should be writing the equation and then integrating in the second step. So equation is 20 plus pt minus 60 square and whole k. So if we keep the k outside, integration of 20 will be 20t, integration of pt will be pt square over 2, and integration of minus 60 square will be minus 60 cube over 3. So I'm writing that. Now we can simplify it further. 3 2 times is 6. Sorry, let's put the values now. So it will become, after, sorry, this is 0. I just copied pasted just to put 0 in the given. We know that it will become 0, but we still be putting the value to show them the limits. So when we put this all, we will be getting the equation k times 20 plus p over 2 minus 2. So 20 minus 2 is 18. So 18 plus p over 2 times k. This is your second equation. Okay, what is this equals to? This is equals to, distance is equals to 93 meters. So this is becomes equals to 93. Now solving these two equations simultaneously. Equation 1 is 42 equals to k times p minus 12. So let's substitute. Take the value of k and substitute in the second equation. K is equals to 42 over p minus 12. K equals substituting k equals to 42 over p minus 12. So 93 equals 42 over p minus 12. Now solving it for p. First multiplying p minus 12 on both sides, so it will give you 93 times p minus 12 equals 42 times 18 plus p over 2. This will become 93p minus 1116. 93 times 12, yeah, equals 42 times 18 would give you 756 plus p over, okay, 21p. So this will give you 93 minus 21 will give you 73p equals 756 plus 1116 will give you 1872. This gives you p equals to be 26. Now you can substitute this p equals to 26 in any of your equation. Let's substitute it in the first one, the easy equation. So 26 minus 12 is 14. This gives you 3. Okay, so this is what we needed to prove, that p equals to 26 and k equals to 3. Secondly, we need to do part B. Says find the distance moved by the particle between the time when its acceleration is 0 and the time at which its velocity is 0. Okay, so they have given you actually the conditions. Acceleration is 0 means where your dv over dt is 0. Find time there. Okay, this will be a one time, and you will put velocity to be 0. This will be your actually the equation that is you have, you will put that to be 0 to find the second time, and you need to find the distance between these two times. So you'll integrate the velocity equation in between time t1 and t2 to get this distance. I hope you understand this. Let's follow this and you will understand more. We have already differentiated it, but let's not take that, because in that one we didn't also have k and p. Or you can use this version and substitute the k and p in this. K is 3, p is 26. K is 3, p is 26. So they say acceleration is 0. So that means 3 times 26 minus 12t equals 0. So this gives t to be equals to 26 over 12, and that is 13 over 6. This is your first time. For the second time, put v equals to 0. Where is your equation of velocity? This. Let's substitute k and p in this and then put it equals to 0. K is 3. And p is 26. So put that equals to 0. 3 times 20 plus 26t minus 6t square equals 0. So this will give you 6t square minus 26t minus 20 equals 0. Dividing it by 2 will give 3t square minus 13t minus 10 equals 0. So the time it is not we cannot do it by breaking middle term, okay, because there are no factors of it. You can use quadratic formula. So t is going to be minus of my b plus minus square root of b square b square minus 4ac over 2a. When you will do this, you get two values of t. T will be equals to minus 2 over 3 or 5. So obviously time is not negative, so rejected. So this implies t equals to 5. So this is your second time, and you need to find the distance between them. So let's integrate the velocity equation in between these two t values. So s is going to be equals to 4 over 3, yeah, one value was 13 over 6, sorry, 13 over 6 to 5 integrated with respect to dt. So integrating, yes, we have integrated this equation before, but that was with the k and p, and this, it is just one step, so it is better to do it again. So 20t plus 26t square over 2 minus 6t cube over 3. 13 over 6 to 5. Okay, substituting these values will give you sorry. So upper limit first. When you solve this with a calculator, your final value will be 272.944. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.